Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go through part 2 of Make Money on the Go. So let's just dive right into it. Um, so as we discussed the last time, there are many ways you can make money even while commuting, and many people think that, oh, like this time is getting wasted. What can I do? Like you can do it couple of things. So just to recap, in part one, we had discussed that you can do a drive for rideshare or delivery. So you can use platform Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats, and you can make money from it. So today we are going to do the next one. So this is not that popular yet, but this is a really good niche because if you get enough advertisement, you can have this kind of car wrapping done, and then you can make the money out of it. So you don't need to go to find the advertiser, but you can find there are platforms which offer you um, like to got your car wrapped, and then you just and they just pay you for that. So that's called Rapify and Car Advertise, two platforms. And you can see right now on my screen, I just put one sample photo of car wrap advertisement. And you can see that basically you get paid for your regular commute and which add on the car. So they pay 100 to $400 per car per month just for driving. So that will usually cost your insurance cost or fuel cost. And this is one of the viable way to make money. Usually realtors pay you, then big companies pay you. There's always I always see advertisement. You always see advertisement on your commute, right? Like either on public bus or public train, or yeah, those kind of transportation. You usually see the advertisements. So this is on your vehicle. So this is one of the popular way to make money without doing anything. The next one is the audio-based side hustle. So while driving, um, you can do is like voiceover through mic and quiet setup. So you can do it with your phone. Basically, you can dictate blog post or book ideas using voice memos. So for example, you have fully self-driving car like Tesla. You can do all these things while commute. Your car will just keep driving. You just still pay attention on the road, but you don't have to drive because Tesla is driving you. And that time you can do a dictate blog post or book ideas through voice memo, and then you do that, and then you make money. Basically, you can also do language tutoring via apps like Cambly. So Cambly is one of the platform, and most of us knows at least some uh, uncommon languages. Like for example, instead of English, maybe Spanish, or French, German, or some French, yeah, or Urdu, or Asian, Chinese language, or Vietnamese language, or whatever languages around the world, then you can have this additional income for voiceover. And income can vary from 10 to 100 plus hour depending on your niche. So yeah, if it's a big producer, then they will pay you more. If it's small producer, they can pay $10 per hour, but that will cover your cost of coffee. Or you can, if you make 100 plus hour, then it's almost as good as your job itself. And this is really popular way to make the money. So with that said, let's move to the next one. So if you are commuting by train or bus, then you have even more option to make money. So one is the freelance work on your laptop. So you sign up at 5RR or Upwork or TopTal or Freelancer. So you just sign up there. You look for the work, you know how you can do it, and then you can do writing, designing, coding, admin support, research, or resume writing, and all those different ways you find your, I think most of us know all of this or most of this kind of work, and then you can just do your work on your laptop while your train or bus is taking you from one place to another place. You can make 15 to $100 per hour depending on skill and demand. And this is pretty awesome way to make money because you are just maybe spending 1 hour going one way, and then and in day you get 2 hours to work, and then you 2 hours into, let's say, even $50, then you make $100 per hour. 20 days usually commute per month, so 20 into 100 is $2,000 extra in your pocket, which can you can pay for your mortgage or anything else, rent or whatever, and then travel and enjoy your money. So with that said, we are approaching to the limit of, so we'll make next part, and please join me there. If you like my ideas, please like and subscribe so I can keep making more videos like this. Thank you.